Will you stop those mohalla clinics if you come to
I am
power?
not.
Will you make new clinics?
I don't answer hypothetical question. We
No,
will.
but what will you do if you come to
We
power?
have an Ayushman Bharat scheme. He has not even implemented that. Instead of going to the mohalla clinic, बाद में जब सर्वे हो जब लेडीज टर्न से हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है वहाँ पे कोई लेडी डॉक्टर या पढ़े देखो you can't sitting here 3 weeks before an election. What would you do? It's not my call. I am telling you what we would do. We would implement Ayushman Bharat straight away. 50,
Will you clean the air? Will you clean
100%.
How?
100%.
Because if Punjab is
No,
not...
no, Punjab can do whatever it's want. We have proved to you in every respect. जहाँ झुगी झोपड़ी को ये हटा देंगे. अबे अंकल 4 करोड़ प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना में हमने लाभार्थियों को आवास दिए हैं और हमने कहा 3 करोड़ और देंगे. आप तो लागू ही नहीं कर रहे. There are 4 verticals in the Aam Aadmi in the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. He's only implemented one of them, and that, by the way, that vertical is where he has nothing to do. The banks give loans under credit linked subsidy scheme (CLSS). So, ना ये ISSR को इसने किया. ISSR is the vertical on which slums are converted. I shouldn't use the word. Informal settlements are converted into proper आवास. What did he do? उसको लागू नहीं किया. हमने क्या किया? अभी कालका जी जहाँ से बिदूरी जी की कल कैंपेन की शुरुआत हुई है, 3,200 flats were handed over in terms of keys handed over by the Prime Minister. I was then the Urban Affairs Minister. I was standing next to him. You should see the transformation in people's life.
When you have so much of data, sir, when you have so much of information and you have so much of ammo to attack the Aam Aadmi Party, you mentioned Mr. Biduri. What is the need for Mr. Biduri to make the kind of statements that he did? Isn't that going to...
No, I will not hold a brief for that. I'll tell you very frankly. Mr. Biduri has already apologized for what he has said. And by the way, I'm in the very happy situation. I'm married to a feminist, 2 daughters who are feminists. So I don't approve of that. But then Ramesh ji has apologized for them. Let's leave it for that. Okay. This election is going to be fought where the people living in informal settlements and slums are going to move into Pakka Har. And this guy is lying. He said, agar BJP aage to ye kar denge. No, this kind of lie, I think we will not only expose.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.